everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese Cooking Class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Satsumaimo no cinnamon sugar stick. Satsumaimo or Japanese sweet potato is very sweet as is. It's the snack that I'm making today, so let's make it even sweeter with some cinnamon and sugar. Very easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need. Satsumaimo or Japanese sweet potato, it's about 500 grams. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Prepare some vegetable oil in the frying pan. It's about ½ inch. And let's cut the sweet potato. I'm using it with the skin on, so I washed it really well, and I'm going to cut it like shoestring potatoes. Cut both ends off. Make diagonal slices. Then into sticks. And let's put it in the oil. Put it on the stove. Turn the heat on and fry them for 10 to 15 minutes over medium heat until it's slightly browned. Try not to touch them too much while you fry. They will break into short pieces. Fry for 15 minutes and some are looking good. So let's take them out in a large bowl lined with paper towel. Let the paper towel absorb all the excess oil. Remove it. And let's put 1 tablespoon of honey. If it's too thick, microwave to loosen it. Mix it. Granulated sugar and cinnamon. Toss it. And it's done. いただきます。That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.